Let's avoid the number one reason why people can't get their DCT Smart Bird Feeder camera up and running.
First, let's take a look at what's in the box.
Mounting bracket with strap and hardware, a USB charging cable, a solar panel, a camera module. We've got a feeder body with a clear window and a lid, an external antenna, a material perch, and the user guide. Now, some kits are going to label parts differently, but honestly, this is the core loadout here. It's got a rechargeable solar setup, and it's just really nice for low maintenance bird watching. It's powered by the sun. Can't get easier than that. Not going to be a drain on your electric bills. Just make sure you place that panel where it's going to get the most amount of sun. Now, before assembly, you're going to want to do two things. Give the camera a first full charge. And if you want to save your photos onto the device, insert a microSD card now so you're not remounting that camera later. To get started, we're going to download the Vico Home app, power on the camera, then simply follow the QR pairing flow. Make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz network for that first connection. This one detail solves about 90% of why it won't pair issues. Okay?
And now you're ready to enjoy those fine feathered cameos.